Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu says he had some guests at home. So he commanded his family, make sacrifice before I return after performing the prayer, so that the guest may eat it. They therefore made the sacrifice before the Eid prayer. The people mentioned it to the Prophet ﷺ. He ﷺ thereupon issued orders to make the sacrifice again. He whereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, I have got a kid better than 2 milch goats. Ibn Aun at this junction stops narrating Shabi's Hadith and then narrates Muhammad bin Sirin's Hadith, who stops at this junction and then says, I don't know whether this permission is also for other people or not. Ayyub ibn Sirin, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6673.